Alright folks, what you see here is the end result of this tutorial in augmented reality. You see the different planets, you can move around them, and this is what we're going to set up in the very first part of the tutorial. So basically get these planet assets in and position them into this space. But then in the subsequent parts we will add a little bit of interaction into this scene. So to give you a taste of what that means, I'll tap on Earth over here, and that brings me to an individual scene with the planet itself. And over here you can rotate the planet, you can actually move it around. So you can maybe want to see where is it that you're placed. I'm located at the moment about there. I come originally from there. And then you also have additional information about the planet, and even more so, some more details having to do with the stats of the planet. And then if you want to return to the solar system, you do it from here. So that part we're gonna cover in the second part of the tutorial. But yeah, let's just get started.